Once upon a time, in a vibrant town called Dataville, there lived a young and curious scientist named Nia. She was captivated by one big question: how do humans recognize faces, understand languages, and even predict what happens next? Nia dreamed of teaching a machine to do the same. Her search led her to an ancient scroll known as the Neural Network Blueprint. It spoke of magical layers that could transform raw data into understanding. The first layer, called the input layer, would take in raw information like images and sounds. Then came the hidden layers, where tiny workers called neurons whispered to each other, sharing insights and uncovering patterns. Finally, the output layer delivered the answers. A face identified, a sentence translated, a number predicted. But there was a challenge. The scroll warned that these layers needed to learn. Like a gardener nurturing plants, Nia had to train the network, feeding it streams of data. She guided it with tools like activation spells and loss maps, tools that showed how far the machine was from the truth. And through an ancient technique called backpropagation, she taught it to correct its mistakes. Day by day, the machine grew wiser. It learned to understand images, voices, and even emotions. Nia called her creation deep learning, because it dived deep into the layers of knowledge, unraveling mysteries hidden in the data. Deep learning didn't just change Dataville, it transformed the world, helping heal the sick, explore galaxies, and make life easier for everyone. And so, deep learning became a legend, a story of how machines learn to think, one layer at a time.